Welcome back to the Agenda Gap Facilitators Field Guide. We're jumping into Workshop 11 today, Change Tactics to Activate and Transform.
That's right. We're definitely in the home stretch now. Workshop 11 out of 14. And this one's really pivotal.
Absolutely. So the main goal here is getting the youth comfortable selecting policy change tactics and understanding how to combine them.
Exactly. Combining them for real impact and using that SMART goals framework to, sharpen their objectives.
Yeah.
It's all about generating that forward motion.
Okay, momentum. Got it. So prep-wise, what do facilitators absolutely need ready beforehand?
Right. Prep is key. You'll definitely want the visuals printed out for Activity 1. That's understanding advocacy tactics. And Activity 2, envision the win.
Okay, Activity 1 and 2 visuals.
And the tactics for transformation resource, don't forget that one. Oh, and crucially, review and summarize the AWE survey results from Workshop 10. You'll be sharing those.
The AWE survey summary. Good point. And you recommend starting with the Action Feels Good theme video.
Yeah, I really do. It shifts the energy immediately, puts them in that mindset of action, mapping goals, identifying tactics.
And seeing how small steps build up.
Precisely. How those small wins build resilience, lead to bigger change. It frames the whole session nicely.
Okay, so video done, everyone's settled. How do we ease them in?
We start personal.
Well,
Ask them, what day they'd love to relive and why. It's a nice icebreaker.
connects everyone a bit.
Yeah. And then you flow right into sharing that AWE survey summary and the anonymous compliments. Just reinforces that positive vibe.
Nice. Then look back. Quick review of tactics and elevator pitches from last time, right? Maybe mention pitches can still evolve.
Definitely mention that. Then pivot to look forward, letting them know they'll be exploring different change approaches and tools for planning. Measuring progress, too.
Okay, so that leads into Activity 1, Mastering the Art of Change. About 20 minutes.
Yep, 20 minutes. They'll first chat about tactics they've seen or liked. Then, in small groups, they use that tactics for transformation resource.
The one they chart based on excitement versus confusion, practicality versus challenge.
That's the one. Encourage lots of discussion, about what feels familiar, what they're curious about. Let them add their own ideas, too.
And emphasize using multiple tactics.
Oh, absolutely. A campaign needs multiple angles. It's much stronger that way. You can share examples from past cohorts here, too.
Like the dialogue event video with the skits.
Yeah, that's a great one. Or the position paper on youth engagement that actually influenced provincial policy. Shows the range of what's possible.
Powerful stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, after tactics, we hit the SMART goals framework. Specific, measurable.
Attainable, relevant, and time-bound.
Right.
It brings real practical focus, helps them assess if their chosen tactics fit, if they need others, where they might need help.
Turns ambition into concrete steps. I like that.
Exactly. Then Activity 2, envisioning the win. Another 20 minutes.
This is where they connect tactics back to the main policy goal using the Map the Wins resource.
Correct. Identify the big win, but also map out those smaller stepping stone goals. The key is figuring out which small wins are most upstream.
Meaning closer to the start, the ones needed to get to the bigger goal.
Yeah, the foundational ones. Arrange those closest to the big win on the map.
Yeah.
And get them thinking about allies, too, who can help with each step.
And then nail down next steps, like drafting things, signing up for tasks.
Yes, make it concrete. And a quick tip for you, the facilitator. Encourage them to notice personal wins, too. New skills, new friends, that kind of thing. It's also progress.
Good reminder. Okay, wrapping up the Connect and Close segment, about 10 minutes. Introduce the success log.
Yes, the success log. Explain it's for tracking activities and impacts. Helps them see what's working, fosters that growth mindset.
Captures unexpected wins, too, right?
Exactly. Have them list completed and planned activities using their mapped wins as a guide. Stress, it's a living document.
And finally, the AWE survey link again. Give them time and email it, too.
Perfect. Circulate the link, let them fill it out.
Okay, that sounds like a solid plan for Workshop 11. Covered the goals, the prep, the activities, the wrap-up. Facilitators should feel ready to go.
Absolutely. It's an exciting session. Lots of potential for momentum.
Great stuff. Thanks for walking us through it. And to our listeners, you've got this. We'll catch you next time for the Guide to Workshop 12.